Hi everyone, I'm Deb. I posted a video the other day of how to make bread in 2 hours. That's great, but you have a little more time, most likely right now, so you should make my 2-day bread. It's way more delicious. This is a French baguette recipe. I took a class at the Institute of Culinary Education, and this was actually from the head baker at Balthazar. So this is the flour I use. It's high gluten flour from King Arthur. If you only have all-purpose flour, I'm pretty sure the recipe is still gonna work. The yeast I use instant yeast. It's saf yeast. I used it in both recipes, which just means I can mix it directly into the flour mixture. I don't have to wait for it to proof in water. I use 4 grams of salt, and then I have 340 grams of 60-degree water, and that's going to be the day one rise, and that is going to sit for 12 to 24 hours. 17 hours is ideal. So if you started at 5:30 one night, you can go to the next step at 10:30 in the morning. Let's go over there and start mixing. Into the water, I'm going to put the yeast and then the salt and flour combination and mix just until combined. If you're a slob like me, you're going to need to clean up a little. Then I'm going to sit it on the counter and cover it for 17 hours. Okay, this has been sitting out overnight for about 17 hours. Now I'm going to mix some more ingredients in. I have 312 grams of water. I'm adding 11 grams of instant yeast on top, then 425 grams of high gluten flour and 85 grams of whole wheat flour. Then I'm going to sprinkle 9 grams of salt on top. I'm going to add yesterday's mixture, and then I'm going to mix on low for 3 minutes and then high for 3 minutes. You're going to want to clean again. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like after you've mixed it, and we are going to cover it and let it rise in the bowl for another hour. So the dough has risen for an hour, and I'm just going to turn it out onto itself and shape them into baguettes. I have a French baguette pan, but really, if you only have a baking sheet, that's fine too. So after 45 minutes, you could see these have risen again, and now they're ready to go into the oven. You'll want to slash these with a sharp knife and put an egg wash on them. The egg wash will make them shine and give them a nice golden hue. Okay, so if you are like us, you have already eaten everything you own. So as you can see, I've got a ton of bread here. I think I have 10 French loaves here. Here are the ones I remembered to put the egg wash on, and here are the ones that I did not. You could see these will probably have like a crunchy outside, and they just look better. So don't forget the egg wash. So 10 loaves. I guess this should last us, I don't know, 2 to 3 hours maybe? I'm not really sure. The way we have been eating, it is like it's a global pandemic out there. Okay, stay safe, wear your mask, comment below with any questions. I'll have the full recipe down below, and thank you for watching.